Okay, I really don't feel like unpacking. So you gotta unpack and organize my closet with me. But first, I gotta move some stuff out of my closet. Some of you may be wondering what I left behind 8 months ago. Well, here's your answer. Ta-da! Let me get the light for you. This is literally all my possessions. I don't have anything but clothes here. Look, I don't have a plan for how to organize everything just yet. I literally just came back. Okay, I came back yesterday, but I slept for a whole day. Anyways, I went from a person who has a plan for everything to not planning anything. Let's just, make shit up as we go.
12 seconds later.
Like I just mentioned, I'm going to put away my seasonal items for now, which is all my summer clothes in this case. And as you can see here, I'm just taking all my summer clothes out of my closet and storing them in the other closet. Okay, according to Gloria from September 2020, apparently I'm supposed to put away all my seasonal items, which is my summer clothes in all cases. Summer clothes, get out of here. Okay. Oh my god. Look what I found. Onesie. Okay, back to normal because it's hard to be like this. I'm sleepy already. Okay, fine, I'll get up. Now I'm gonna take out all my summer clothes from here. I think I'll have to give them a good steam before I put them away. I guess I'll deal with the rest tomorrow.
The next day.
Good morning. Yes, I'm still wearing the same shirt. It's not like I'm seeing anyone. Well, except for all of you. Anyways, I've managed to put all my summer clothes away in the other closet. Now I can focus on organizing all the clothes that I do get to wear. Before we begin, there's one more thing we need to do. As you can see, there are a lot of clothes in here, and I probably don't want to wear all of them. For example, these are my maybes. They're marked by hangers. If I don't hang them with my fancy hanger, then it's a maybe. Maybe means they're either too old, I mean a lot of them are like years old, or they don't fit my style anymore. And as I age, there might be more maybes in here, so I need to do another purge before I put everything back from my suitcase. It's like Hunger Game for my clothes. Okay, these are the clothes that I'm not 100% sure if I want to keep. I might donate or sell some of them. I might keep some of them. I don't know, but I'll move them to the other closet for now. Okay, now I finally get to move everything out of my suitcases. Some of you were wondering why I barely made any outfit videos. Well, these are all my clothes for fall and winter for the past half a year. And these are workout clothes. Yeah, I didn't really have much of a choice here. This is so satisfying. But I'm not done yet. Look at all these crabs. I need to deal with them. Sorry, not talking about you. I did take a lot of shoes with me, and that took up a lot of space. I don't want to explain this. I have a thing for shoes. Now I'm gonna put my most used bags in here. There's a few more, I'll just hang them with my hats. Now let's check out the final result. On the left here, I've got all my tops. Over here, I've got some dresses, and the rest in the middle are all my jackets and coats. I know there's a lot, but it's really cold here. And I've got all my bottoms on the right. Up here, I've got my pajamas and thermal underwear. All my sweaters are in the middle. These are my hats, gloves, and scarves. And these are all my gym clothes. Down here, there's my bras and underwear, all my socks, my swimsuits, and towels. It's pretty clean in the middle. And on the right here, these are some of my favorite shoes. And these are just some random fashion supplies. I've got some of my most used bags up here. And down here are all my shoes. It's actually only half full. And yes, all my hats and a few bags that don't have a shelf space. As for my other closet, I've got all my summer clothes stored in here. These are my maybes. And over here, I've got some stuff that I either want to sell or donate. Oh my god, this is like heaven for OCDs. Well, thanks for watching today's episode of Organizing with Gloria. Until next time, ciao!